Hi guys, so today we're gonna learn some basic commands on Linux terminal. So let's start. The first command what we're gonna learn is the ls, which lists the content of the folder or of the directory you are in. Actually, if you can see that we are in the root directory, here it is. Let's go to the desktop that we can compare that. So for going to any directory, we have to change the directory cd, which is desktop. Now we are in the desktop, so let's see what happens. See, here it is a folder called abcd. You can see that job fair, you can see that where it is, it's here, and all the contents are here. So mainly ls shows us the not hidden folder or files. So for seeing the hidden files, what we have to do is that let's say at first let us change the directory, because there are no hidden files. It's the ls of the root. So we are here, okay, we are here, and as we can see that all these folders are listed here, folders and files are listed here. Now if we can go here and we can show the hidden folders, then we can see there are much contents which are not there. So for that, what we have to do is that ls -a, which can show us all the directory and folders, including the hidden files and folders. Okay, so now let us go to the next command, which is, let's say at first go to the desktop. So at first there I have learned, and now we're gonna learn the creating any directory, I mean making directory. For that, what we have to do is mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. Okay, so we're gonna make a directory called, let's say, anonymous, and see, here it is, anonymous it came here. Now what we will do is we will go inside it, that means cd change directory and anonymous. Now we are here, but there is nothing. As you can see that here is nothing. ls list, we have listed all these things, all the directories, but there are nothing. So at first create something. Let's create something here. Let's create some file called acha. Now what we will learn is how to create a file. It was about folder. Now let's create a file, that is touch. Touch can create any file called as we wish, AAA. Okay, let's go there. Here it is. A is a normal text file which is created by touch, but we have created the file. We want to write something. Okay, for that we have to use any editor. The editors are thoda different from the graphical user interface, so we'll make another video for the command line editors. Now we are using the graphical editor to do something. Let's say we're gonna write is let's say we are writing a save this, and let's see. Now we're gonna see that how to see the content in this file. That there are a command called cat can show you the content of this file. You can see this, that it's here. here it is. So we can see all this. We have created the file, and cat is only can see, I mean it's the only read, you can read only this. And to edit this we have some editors, we will talk about it later. Now let's say we have to delete this file. We will do it later. At first let us see how to delete a folder. So before that we have to go outside of folder. Say we are in the anonymous and we wanna go to the desktop. That means we have to go one folder backward. For that we have to do cd dot dot space dot dot cd space dot dot. Now we are in the desktop folder, you can see that. And as you can see here, it is the anonymous folder. And now we want to delete anonymous folder, that is remove directory. Wait a sec, let us create another folder called anon. So now we can see there are the anon and the anonymous. So for removing any directory we can simply type rmdir remove directory and anon. So we have deleted it, and if we list this, then we will see that there are no anon. Okay, now we want to delete this anonymous folder. So what we have to do is, let's say rmdir remove directory anonymous, but it's showing that failed to remove anonymous because directory is not empty. That means we cannot delete the non-empty folders by rmdir, I mean remove directory. So what we have to do, we have to force it for delete. Let's say rm remove dash rf, which means remove forcefully. Rf means remove forcefully. Now anonymous, now it's been deleted. See here the anonymous is not here, that means it's have been deleted. Now let's create something called some files now we have this lsdkjf1, where it is. I have created it. It should be here. Here it is. It's a file. So what we want to delete, when we want to delete this, so the command is rm remove lsdk. We have deleted it. If you can list there that there is no file called that. Okay, and now there, let's see, we have to clear this screen. We can simply type Ctrl L. Remember it, Ctrl L, which can clear your screen. Now what we will see that Ctrl L only just clear the screen, but the past commands are also there. You can see all this. If you can scroll it, it just scroll down it just scrolls up your screen. And if we do the command clear, then it will clear all the, let's scroll, and now there is nothing. So this is the screen clearing technique. Now see, let's say we wanna see some process, that which processes are running here. For that we can type top simply. Now the top command can show us all the processes that are running in this, in the laptop or in the machine. Okay, here it is. And if we can type Ctrl C, and by Ctrl C we have stopped this, and we can just see it. Okay, thank you guys. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any queries, then you can simply comment in this video and I will try to solve your problem. Thank you.